Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to use the Hacoo app step by step. So let's get started. First, go ahead and download and install the Hacoo app from the Google Play Store. And after launching the app, you'll land on the main interface. From here, you'll see several important sections. The profile section is where you manage your account. You can view your orders, check save or like items, access your wallet for balance, and cashback and coupons. You can also contact the help center if you need support. Next is the cart section. At the bottom, just click that, and this is where you review items you plan to buy, edit quantities, and add or select your delivery address. When you're ready to purchase, this is where you proceed to check out. And at the bottom, you'll also see the plus button right over here. Now, this allows you to post photos or videos, mainly for content creation or showcasing products inside the app. Now, the notifications or messages sections, this shows updates like likes, comments, and order related alerts so you can stay updated on activity and purchases. Now, let's talk about the home section. This is where you browse products like clothing, shoes, and accessories. Just simply tap on any item to view details, like it or save it, read reviews, and check similar recommendations. And if you want to buy something, just go ahead and tap buy or add to cart, choose a size and quantity, and confirm. When you're ready, just simply place your order, go back to the cart, and select your items. Add your shipping details, review the total cost and delivery info, and confirm the payment using the available payment options. Once payment is completed, your order is placed, and all you need to do is wait for the delivery. And that's exactly how to use the Hacko app from browsing to checkout. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.